welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something special to the 69 Purple Passion. My brother-in-law has been driving it around without knowing how fast he's going. He don't know how much gas or fuel he has in the truck. No tack, no RPMs, nothing, right?
Nope.
No voltage. I think nothing.
Nothing.
But he got some Dakota Digital gauges. He didn't get the top of the line, but these are nice. It's gonna make it look good. We got the sensors. We had to put the oil pressure sensor back there. The water temp, we put it on this side because I think this one has to stay on so the computer can read temperature. And then here's the mess we got into. So here's the gauges. They already work. They look good. Here's all the wiring to the brain. All the mess we've done. We're about to put it all back together and see how it does. Everything's working. We already tested, but we have to drive it so we can do the speed, calibrate it.
Yeah.
But man, it's looking all right.
Yep.
We already checked it. What do you think, Juan?
Man, a lot of wiring. It's
you
crazy.
excited?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Juan wasn't aware, my brother-in-law, that there was this much had to be wired into this stuff to make it work. But now he's gonna have all the information he needs.
Yep. Everything
here. Oil pressure, water temperature, fuel. We just checked it, we calibrated, and it worked.
Yep.
Finally, he knows where he's at on fuel. He always has to fill it up if he's gonna leave town because he never knows where he's at. Voltage works. The speed, we haven't checked it yet, but we're gonna check it. Clock, looks like it's working. It's not on time right now, and the RPMs are working as well. So, Luke, you ready to drive your truck? Huh?
Yep, the future owner right here.
So you excited, Juan?
Yep.
So let's put it back together and we'll get back on the video. Well, we put it all back together. We are testing everything right now. The speed, we're calibrating it. What do you think, Juan?
Good. I like it. Feels
now,
good.
There's our RPMs. Oil, temp. We have to set the clock, but there's this how fast we're going. Voltage, and whatever else is over there.
Voltage and fuel.
And fuel. And now he knows what's going on with this truck. That's super important. Dakota Digital gauges. We're testing everything out, then we have to set the clock. But man, it's running good. Woo, finally. There's a lot of wires on one.
Yep.
I think we got it, so let's check it out.
Yeah. Cool.
We just set the time, so the clock's right. We had to calibrate it again because the speed was a little off, but it's on now.
Yeah.
So, time's correct. RPMs. Oh man, I'm excited. Now you know what's going on. All right, so we kept messing with it. Now we got it brighter. So now we can see the brightness. Now we got it where we can see in the day. All right.
Yep.
There we go. Set up.
That's awesome.
Ready to go. All right. It's all completely done. We're excited because everything worked. A little dirty. We got to clean the bezels here. But the bezel, I mean, looks good. Now we're ready to take a ride and clean up. We appreciate everybody watching, everybody that follows us on the channel. It's been a while. I hadn't been posting too much, but we're about to get on it. This truck, I don't know if the next thing will be the fuel tank, but he's gonna get a nice tank, pump, everything set up. There'll be hopefully some vintage air conditioning going on pretty soon. So he's about to start rolling here. We wanted to get these gauges done and then order the next thing, get it done, and we'll try to keep everybody updated. We didn't want to buy everything and then have it sit too long. So that way everything's getting ordered and getting put on. So we appreciate it. My brother-in-law is excited now. Now he knows what's going on with his engine, and he loves to drive his truck. So now I'm pretty sure he's going to like to drive it more. And the more we put in it, the better it's going to run and just the better truck is going to be. So we appreciate everybody. And my car is getting worked on as well. Almost done. We'll shoot a whole video when it's complete as well on the Cutlass. We appreciate everybody, and we're going to go for another ride in Purple Passion here. Thank y'all. See you in the next video.